But I do not want to talk about the weather on Alderaan. Oh, just a little joke. In Metro Vancouver today, you do not have to wear a sweater, but tomorrow it will be very cold and disappointing.
For the first time ever, there's going to be a live commercial.
Wow, what could go wrong? It'll star Adam Driver, known for The Force Awakens and Girls. He kind of looks like my brother, too. Maybe that's why I give him a... You go, dude.
What?
All right. What? I didn't say he was cute. I didn't say that. All right. Here we go. I can't. I'm like sweating. Okay, wait, no, I got this.
They're trying to dump out and go to traffic, and she's like, no.
I got it. I needed it. Thank you. Okay, I'm just crying a little bit. 60 degrees in Charlotte right now. All right, never mind. Here you go. I'm like way too hot. I can't stop. Oh my God.
So that's the... Okay.
Qué buena la acogida que le dieron en Mexicali. Se ría. Señores, hoy...
Estamos preocupados por el huracán. Oh, mon Dieu, Seigneur.
തലചായ്ക്കാനിടവുമില്ല, ആഹാരവുമില്ല, അന്തരാണെങ്കിൽ തിരിഞ്ഞു നോക്കിയിട്ടുമില്ല.
La gente aquí está loca por verte en bikini, pero la cámara nada más está tomando la mitad de tu cuerpo. ¿Le podemos decir al camarógrafo que abra?
Mira mi cuerpo, Raúl.
No, pero ahí no está. Yo quiero que la gente vea en el... A ver.
How are you feeling?
Excuse me? Can I speak English? You? Me? No English. No problem. Every time happy. I have a pen. I have a oil. Hey, apple pear. Oh my God. Thank you. Go. Go home. I go home.
F-Drive.
F?
F-Drive.
F van Frans.
Maar is toch wel, ja, Frederik.
Fuck you.
Nee, oh nee, maar dat je toch... Ja, ik zie op de televisie, dan moet ik al lachen.
Hij klinkt wel als een eentje, joh.
Ik kan die gaan zo wel weg. Ik is geweldig, zwart voor de niet.
An example of what we're seeing here. Look at them sharing water just out of the cap of that bottle. It's fantastic.
Yeah, I'm not sure that was water.
Well,
It looks like you've been training for this for some time.
I've been doing this for about 25 years.